Remember, on the 7th of October 2023, Hamas militants attacked Israel and abducted 251 people and took them across the border into Israel. Since then, a few of them have been released, while many have perished as a result of the harsh conditions they were subjected to. The remaining hostages, 20, are believed to be alive. 28 bodies are also there, will be returning to Israel, is what the US President Donald Trump has said as per the peace plan. Pictures are from the Israel-Gaza border at this point in time. On the extreme right side of your screen, on the left side are pictures of celebration. The 20-point peace plan has been agreed upon. US President is also in Israel and will be present as the hostages are sent home. There would be 3 batches, and the story we are breaking at this point is that the first batch has now been released. The first batch of the hostages who had lived with the Hamas for 2 years now, 2 years plus, have now finally been released. This is a big development vis-a-vis the 20-point peace program of President Donald Trump, with Hamas now releasing hostages in batches. Israeli hostages are getting relieved, even as President Donald Trump has said that the war is over. Israel is expecting all 20 living hostages to be brought back successfully from Gaza, out of which the first batch, we understand, have now been released. 20 hostages who are alive and are getting freed today from Gaza. On your screens are pictures and coming in from the border at this point in time. What we also can see is Red Cross vehicle there moving along the road. The first batch of the hostages has now been released. President Donald Trump in Israel ahead of this big development today. The first batch of the 20 Israeli hostages have been released. There would be 3 batches, is what we know, in 2 sites. Now, nearly 2,000 Palestinian prisoners and detainees in Israel will also be freed as part of the first phase of the US brokered ceasefire deal, is what we know.